What's up, everybody? It's your boy. Right now, I'm in the center city of Medellin, Colombia, also known as El Centro, and I'm actually walking right now towards a train station because I'm going to meet up with a friend, a super cool girl from Venezuela, and well, she said that we're gonna go take a walk by the park. I think it's like a botanical gardens of some kind. So I'm walking right now towards the train station, and I'll show you guys what the inside of the train station looks like when I get there. Well, I've actually already arrived to the station itself, but now I need to get in. Alright guys, I just got to Aloha station, which is really right next to my spot in downtown, and now I'll show you guys what it's like to get on the train. And so basically all you do is use a little smart card and you're on. Alright guys, and you know what's something pretty cool you don't often see is disability access in parts of the world, and definitely I never saw that in Japan too often. And look here. Very cool. Those are the trains. Look how clean this station is. Jeez. That's the first thing I think of when I get on the trains here. It's like, man, they put the New York City Metro, the Bay Area Rapid Transit, aka BART, to shame. And of course, Seattle's only like 3 blocks long. Look at this, guys. Look at the view at the train stations here. Gorgeous. And they have TVs that essentially announce where you're going next. All right. All right, guys. I just got to Universidad Station, waiting for my friend now. This is a meeting point, but man, just look at this view, guys. Jeez, I am still just dumbfounded by how beautiful and tropical this all is at a local train station here. And of course, if you need updates on where to go and stuff, just look at the train and it tells you the information in both English and Spanish. Yo guys, I see my friend. Oh, there she is. What's up, amiga? You guys, this right here is Alejandra, aka Officer Malloy. Today she's gonna take me around, guys, to check out the Botanical Gardens. She's super cool people again. If you want more information about her, she also gives lessons in Spanish. I'll put her link down below. Check the link down below, and you can see her profile for teaching if anyone has kids or wants to learn themselves for travel. And she'll do some tour guides too. So we got to the Botanical Gardens over here. And before you enter, you have to wash your hands like so. And after washing your hands, you can enter the Botanical Gardens. Security check right here. They just make sure that you're healthy. They want to get your information, but it's completely free, correct? Es gratis? 100% free, guys. Don't have to worry about money exchange, nothing like that. And then we can go and enjoy the thing. Gracias. All right. Buenos dias. Look at this, guys. This is the entrance to the Botanical Gardens that's 100% free. It's not free back in San Francisco. Is it free in Seattle, guys? Let me know in the comments down below if you have access to places like this for free in your area. Guys, all these people are doing yoga in the damn Botanical Gardens. They're doing yoga here, guys. free yoga. What in the world? What time is it? Free yoga. Look at this. Yoga people. Yoga. ¿Qué pasa? Uy. Uy, uy. Something better. There's bugs out here in nature, guys. Oh God. Oh, she's scratching. They got her good. Bring your bug spray, guys. Bring your bug spray if you come to the Botanical Gardens. What bird is that? Do you guys see it? It's a tiny little bird right over there. Well, it flew. What a beautiful park. Nice. And for those who wonder, yes, there is Wi-Fi here at the Botanical Gardens in Medellin. I know how important Wi-Fi is for those. And of course free. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Un carril antiguo?
Sí, ferrocarril de Antioquia.
That is super cool. Old school ferrocarril of Antioquia from, looks like at least 100 years old or something. Who knows? Pretty flowers. It's like 10 degrees cooler in the shade. So funny. It's probably like 76 right now, guys. And in the shade it's like 68. It's so weird. But it's so nice. Oh, look at these. I love these. I don't know what they're called. The rat tails, right? Cola de rata se llaman? These are dope. Este señor, ¿quién es? Yeah, we came really early, guys, so a lot of stuff is closed. If you guys come here later in the day, you'll probably see a lot more like vendors and stuff out here. But Moloy and myself, we got here and it was like 8:39 in the morning or something like that. So yeah, we're the early birds, which is why nothing is open. Most people here won't open their little juice shops or whatever until like 11 o'clock or noon. But that's when it's like hottest in the day. What the hell? Whatever. It's still beautiful. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Buenos dias.
Yes.
He's just rolling on his bike. No conmigo, yo bulla. Yo soy la bulla.
Sí, pero se escuchan los pájaros.
Sí. I think she likes it here too, guys. The sounds of birds are just amazing. I wish I knew what birds those were. So many species. And iguanas are here too, apparently. Es grande el parque. Ah,
camino.
Look at this. God, this is just gorgeous, guys. This is like a good date night, romantic spot to go. Do some yoga here, like that group back there did. Come on a nice bike ride in this park. Nice little trails. You're gonna need a mountain bike though. Oh, it's nice. Oh, what kind of bird was that? It's like a bright yellow. Do you guys? Oh, dude, they're totally camouflaged. There's at least what I'm counting like 10 or 15 birds. How many do you guys see? Dude, they're on this side of the road and on the other side too. This is beautiful. So many pajaritos. And they're just eating the grass. Or are they eating it or what? What are they doing with the grass? They totally blend in. This is so cool. So cool. Sorry guys for disturbing your home. Disculpa, con permiso. Interrumpiendo comida. What? ¿Qué pájaro es ese? What kind of bird is that? What kind of bird is that? Do you guys see it? It's like this black bird with a long beak. Does anyone know what kind of species this is? I don't want to scare it. What is that? Man, there's just so many varieties of animals here. Mostly birds that I've seen so far. I love the sounds they make. Alright guys, so I'm walking and then I see this fat old iguana. Look at this, guys. Just chilling. You think he sees me? Oh! He ran! He booked it, guys. There's hella iguanas everywhere. Damn, I'm more scared of him than he is of me. And they're all chilling by the lake. Ooh, there's a fatty. Mira ese de allá. Es grandote. I'm gonna get closer, guys. There's like... See? Oh, look, there's one on the trees. What the hell? There's some massive iguanas and they're near the ducks and stuff. Mira. Son patos, ¿verdad? No puedo ver. Mire la de allá. Un gordito. ¿Qué te pasó? My little got scared because one creeped up on her. She didn't see it. Look at this one though, guys. He's a fatty. You guys see this guy? He's obese. Wow, he let me get real close. And there's a bunch of ducks just chilling. How are the ducks getting along with these big old iguanas here? Makes no sense. And there's like 30 of them by the tree. Look at this trail, guys. What in the world? This is so cool. What? Oh, was a dragonfly. Got hella close to me. Hola.
Hola.
Look at this. Buenos días. Wow, mira. Como Jurassic Park. I don't know, no sé si has visto Jurassic Park. Reminds me of Jurassic Park. Yeah, this is beautiful. Buenos dias. Ooh, should I get my feet wet a little bit? Yeah, I'll get my feet wet a little bit. Get me right in the back. It reaches all the way over here, the little sprinkles. I can take it. All right. Like a roller coaster. You don't want to try it? You don't want a little bit of water?
Tengo calor.
Yeah, there we go. Get ready.
Nah.
It didn't reach. Poop. It'll reach, it'll reach, it'll reach. Come on. Hit us with that agua. It's like a roller coaster, como las ferias. There we go. Here it comes. Oh! Un poquito. I almost felt it. That's alright. What a view.
No había estado aquí antes.
No, primera vez. What a view. Wow. You know what the nice thing is, guys? Probably my favorite thing about this whole thing is from my house to the train station was a 2-minute walk. 4 stops over, it took less than 5 minutes. It was pretty quick. I wait for Molloy, and then we're walking in this beautiful park. Like all together, it probably took me about 15 minutes just to get here from where I was. It's very walkable. Medellin is such a walkable city. Look at all this. This is crazy. Kind of feels a little bit like Disneyland, but with more bugs. Hey guys, I just saw something really cool. So as Molloy's taking a little break down there, she's getting tired. So while she takes a break, I gotta show you guys something. So just walking around, I thought it was super cool that just on random trails out here, you can find this. Look at that, guys, just little bananas growing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Massive banana leaves, little bananas growing on them, and what looks like some sort of cocoon near those as well. Gorgeous. And right over here, let me go back to the way we just came from. Right over here is the butterfly house, or as they say in Spanish, Casa de las Mariposas, at the Botanical Gardens, Jardín Botánico. Oop, cockroach. Yeah, and this is the butterfly house. You're good? The butterfly house. There's gonna be lots of bugs up here. Let's see. Buenos días.
El ingreso a nuestra casa de las mariposas tiene costo de 4.000 pesos por curso. Si tienen cuenta de servicios extracto 1, 2 o 3 de la ciudad, le hago el huequito a las pelotas para que
Aquí. Gracias.
Sí, entonces yo le dije, no, ya le digo que no le firmaba pero sí, y entonces le coge la comparación también de la vuelta, porque yo, como así, si no se cerran ni abrimos, entonces como vamos a nosotros que firmar, y ni yo fui a hablar de eso.
It's like Disneylandia, look guys.
les doy la bienvenida a la Casa de las Mariposas de la Fundación gente. Para ingresar a nuestra área de vuelo controlado, necesito por favor que nos movilicemos con serenidad, precaución y respeto. Pueden tomar todas las fotografías que deseen siempre y cuando no hagan uso de flash.
Okay.
¿El flash o el no flash? El audio. El flash, sin flash. Ok, no puedes dejar con el flash.
Okay.
Iremos en el pueblito que ellos se paran mucho en el suelo, entonces Ahorita una de las figuras que es muy fácil.
Tener cuidado.
A mano izquierda iniciamos el recorrido.
Ella se sienta mucho en el
Whoa, look at the butterfly house, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. You have to be careful where you walk because some of the butterflies are on the floor.
Dentro de todo entorno tenemos plantas hospederas y plantas mecánicas. ¿Qué es una planta hospedera? Es donde la mariposa pone el huevo para que se vaya alimentando el huevo.
Oh, look, guys.
En este caso, aquí tenemos una. Esa es una oruga.
¿Es huevo mariposa?
Oruga mariposa.
Oruga mariposa. These are
Ahorita ya les enseño el huevo más adelante.
these are some of the eggs and worms before the metamorphosis.
Orugas. Bueno, las plantas nectarícolas son todas las que tienen flor, que es donde se alimentan las mariposas. Aquí tenemos las mariposas cítricas que se están alimentando del néctar de las flores. Recordemos que ellas son el segundo polinizador más importante que hay después de las flores. Aquí tenemos estas primeras 4 urnas de oruga de la mariposa, ojos de búho. Todas están vivas, solamente se desplazan para alimentarse. Esa es una cebrita. Aquí tenemos de la col cítrica. Aquí hay unas crisalidas de flamita. Y aquí tenemos oruga de la mariposa chocolate.
Wow.
Aquí en este lado
Mira, they're just chilling on the floor, guys. Look at that. They're just chilling. Yo sé que es normal para ti. Para mí,
no,
nunca lo-
tranquilos, no hay problema. Yo porque estoy dando el recorrido no puedo tener el teléfono, pero si no yo estuviera también en el
Oh, okay.
Parece una hoja. Esta es la oruga, la crisalía de la mariposa ojos de búho, de la col,
Crisalía.
cebrita, pero también cítrica, sí, cítrica, golondrina y chocolate.
Ah. ¿Y estos qué cosas son?
Ese es un palo de café.
Oh, this is a coffee plant.
Y ya cuando tienen la semillita roja es porque están. Dicen que ahí ya se puede comer.
Look at that thing. What is that? ¿Qué cosa es esto, animal?
Grillo
Grillo?
o saltamonte.
Saltamonte. I think that's a grasshopper, right, guys? Saltamonte. Jumps mountains. So I gotta be careful walking the floor, dude. These things are everywhere.
Entre las frutas más maduras están más así carboneras. Y les sirve a ellas para el metabolismo día a día. Endema.
Mira esa mariposa en el aire. Están besando.
La danza de la pared.
The dance of the partners. Look at that, guys. These 2 butterflies are doing the mating dance. That's like me at Discoteca 22, the same.
Aquí, huevos de la mariposa cebrita.
These are the eggs right here. Cool. Well, guys, that goes the end of the butterfly tour. I'm gonna have to look for you guys later. Have a great day.